Are you an affiliate marketer struggling to create a converting content, find the right keywords, or optimize your campaigns without breaking the bank? Hey friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, just like I promised, I am going to share with you 5 free AI tools that will completely transform your affiliate marketing business. And I will also show you how to use these AI tools step by step to optimize your earnings. So if you are ready to save time, boost traffic, and increase your commission, then hit that like button, subscribe, and let's go straight to the point. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to know which AI tools will help you write blogs, create videos, design graphics, and find the best affiliate keywords without spending a dime. Yes, you heard me. What is more, you will discover that most affiliate marketers do not know that the number 5 exists. First up is ChatGPT. This free AI is a game changer for affiliate marketers when it comes to creating converting content. ChatGPT will help you write professional blog posts, ads copy, and YouTube scripts. Now the question is, how do you start using this free AI? Well, head over to Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT, download the app if you don't have it. After downloading ChatGPT, the next thing you will do is to create your free account using your Google accounts. Once that is done, then your ChatGPT is ready to be used. And to have a professional response from ChatGPT, you have to give it a command. If you are writing a blog post, you need to tell Chat what kind of blog post you want, okay? Using direct keywords. If you are writing a social media post, for example, you have to indicate to Chat which social media platform are you going to post this. If you are writing for Facebook, for example, you have to include in your keyword or the command that you are giving to Chat that this post is specifically meant for Facebook. Chat will design it in such a way that fits that platform. The second free AI we want to talk about is Jasper AI. This AI is just like ChatGPT, but there are some differences. Now let me tell you the differences. Jasper AI was specifically designed for affiliate marketers and copywriters who want a converting content. So Jasper was specifically designed for tasks such as writing ads copy, blog posts, and product descriptions. And that is why this AI comes with already designed templates specifically for this purpose. That is why you will discover that Jasper comes with templates for sales and SEOs. For ChatGPT, this is a general purpose AI that can write multiple domains content. Whether you are writing your ads copy, you are writing blog posts, you are writing technical content, scripts, stories, or even academic writings, ChatGPT is capable of handling this all for you. Again, Jasper AI comes with a built-in optimizer like Sofa SEO. ChatGPT, in the other hand, doesn't have such a built-in optimizer. To get it right with ChatGPT, you have to give it a command that is through keywords, right? Now, to make the best use of Jasper AI, go to this website and sign in for your free trial. That is if you already have an account. But if you don't have any account, you have to sign up with your email, and then Jasper will be ready for use. To have the best result, you will have to use already designed template depending on what you are creating. If you are creating a product description, there are template that is already designed for that, so you have to use that. Only what you have to do is to adjust maybe the color to your brand color, and then you will have to insert the product info. The product you want to promote, you have to insert the information, maybe the name or the testimony if required. If you are creating content for social media, let's say an Instagram post, you have to use the template that is designed for Instagram. So making use of this already designed template will optimize your campaign and put you in the best position to increase your commission from these social media campaigns. So once you successfully select the templates and then add the information of your product, within seconds, Jasper will provide you with the right content for your social media campaign. The third AI I want to talk about is Canva AI. This free AI is one of the best tools for affiliate marketers. If you've successfully created your content using ChatGPT, for example, and then failed to use Canva to design your visual or graphics, then your campaigns may not convert. This is because your audience need to see what you are talking about. So your audience need to see and be moved to action by what they see. Take for example, when you landed first on YouTube, the first impression for you to watch a video, you got that first impression from a thumbnail, and this was designed using Canva. So without the use of thumbnail, you may not have come to know what a video entails. This really shows the importance of using thumbnail or visuals in your campaign. That is where Canva comes in. So for your campaign to be attention grabbing and converting, you need to use these free AI tools properly. Canva is one of the free AI tools that was designed for affiliate marketers. To use this free AI, head over to Google Play Store and download. After downloading, you need to sign up using your Google account. And after signing up, your Canva is now ready to be used. Alternatively, you can go to canva.com to create your free account and then start making use of this free AI. Once your account is set up, then you can start using free template that is already designed there for you. It depends on what you are creating. If you are creating a YouTube thumbnail, for example, there are free YouTube thumbnails that is already designed for you. All you need to do is to select one and then twist a little of the color, maybe to your brand color. You can now add a call to action text and the image of your products, and then your visuals is now ready to be used. And remember to always add your affiliate link description of your video or in the bio if you are posting on Instagram. And always use brand kit in order to keep your branding consistent. Fourth free AI tools we want to talk about is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest was created by Neil Patel. These free AI tools is specifically designed for keyword optimization. It is a perfect tool for finding high-ranking keywords for your blog posts and your YouTube videos. To use this free AI, go to ubersuggest.com to sign up with your Google accounts, and then you are now ready to make use of the AI. So after creating your free account, enter a keyword of your choice, and this free AI will show you search volume of your keywords. It will also help you know the SEO difficulty and also content idea. These are what you can get from this free AI. To get the best result from this AI, always go for keyword with low competition but high traffic for better ranking. So with this AI, you'll be able to know keywords that are highly competitive and the ones that are not highly competitive. So all you need to do is to always go for this low competitive keyword for better ranking. That is how to maximize this free AI. So after successfully creating your converting contents using ChatGPT, you need another AI to convert this script into a video that you can now use on YouTube. And that is where Pictory AI comes in. This is a free AI that will turn your blog posts into a video or turn your ordinary script into a converting video within seconds. This free AI also converts articles into videos with stock footage, voiceover, and music. That means with this AI, there is no need for you to edit video after creation. Once your video is created by Pictory AI, it is now ready for you to be used on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. So to use this free AI, go to pictory.ai and create your free account. Once that is done, all you need next is to paste a script that you have generated from ChatGPT, and then Pictory AI will turn this script into a video that you can use on your social media and even your YouTube account. So here is the thing: before you hit generate, you will have to customize the video. That is, selecting if you are to post a video on 16:9, that is long format kind of video. But if you are creating a video you are going to use on TikTok, you will now have to select 9:16. That is the only customization you have to do within generate on Pictory AI. Once this information is provided correctly, your video will be ready within seconds.